Hello dear children, welcome to the maths class of Standard 5. Today we are going to discuss some more questions based on comparison and ordering of numbers. So children, we learned what is comparison and how to compare two numbers, isn't it? So let's revise that once again. So if two numbers are given to compare, okay, and one number is a 2-digit number and other number is a 3-digit number, then how we can compare? Yes, you count the number of digits in each number, and the number which is having less number of digits is a lesser number or smaller number, okay, and the number which is having more digits is the greater number. For example, if I am taking a number 36 and 306, okay, 36 is a 2-digit number and 306 is a 3-digit number. Now tell me children, which is greater, 36 or 306? 306 is greater, isn't it? Because 306 is a 3-digit number and 36 is a 2-digit number. So always remember, a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. And the same way, if I am giving you two numbers, 496 and 5200, okay, 496 and 5200. Tell me children, which one is the bigger number? Yes, to compare these numbers, first you have to check the number of digits in each number. So the first number, that is 496, having 3 digits in it, and the 5200 is having 4 digits in it. That means a 4-digit number is greater than the 3-digit number. So which is greater? 5200 is greater. Okay. Now the next one is, now if two numbers are having same number of digits, okay, if we have to compare 400 and 300, so here both numbers are having the same number of digits and that is 3, right? So how we can compare? Yes, here you have to check one more thing, and that is you compare the digits in the highest place. That is, in the number 300 and 400, the highest place is hundreds place, isn't it? So that is from the leftmost side you have to compare. So check the digit in hundreds place and then compare with it the hundreds place digit in the next number. Then you will get which is greater. If 3 and 4 are the hundreds place digit, so which is greater, 3 or 4? 4 is greater, right? So we can say that 400 is greater than the number 300. Okay. The same way, if suppose the hundreds place digits are same in a question, then you can move to the next place, that is tens place. Okay. And you can compare the tens place digits. And if they are also same, then you can move to the next place. Okay. So this way you can compare the digits. Got it, children? So here I am going to discuss. Here we are going to discuss some questions of comparison. Okay, children? And the questions are: compare the following numbers using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay? And we know these symbols, right? Less than, greater than, or equal to. And we know the hungry alligator's mouth always, yes, it always points towards the larger number. Okay. So this part comes always towards the larger number. Okay. Keep that in your mind. Now look at this number. Here we are not going to discuss about 2-digit or 3-digit. Here we are going to discuss about the large digit numbers, that is large numbers. Okay. So look at this number. First you read this number. Which number? After 3 digits a comma, then after 2 digits another comma. So it's 3,83,565. Which number is this? 3,83,565. Then 3,83,656. So among these numbers, which is the greatest one? You check which symbol we can put here. Look, all these are having 6 digits in it, isn't it? Look, this one having 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one also having 6 digits. So, we are moving to the second step. What is the second step? Look at the digits at the highest place. So, here the highest place is 3. That is lakhs place. And here it is 3. 3 is equal to 3. Okay. So, what we have to do next? Yes, we have to move to the next one. That is, next place is 10,000th place. Here 10,000th place digit is 8. And here the 10,000th place digit is 8. So, here also 8 is equal to 8. Isn't it? So, what to do? Look at the next one. That is 3 and 3. Thousands place digits. 3 is equal to 3. Both are same, isn't it? So, what to do? Move to the next place. Okay. So, next is hundreds place digit. It is 5 and here the hundreds place digit is 6. Okay. So, what to do? Compare the digits in hundreds place. Right? Here it is 5 and it is 6. Now tell me children, which is greater, 5 or 6? Yes, 6 is greater than 5. That means here this is 5 and this is 6. So the symbol is less than, isn't it? So we can put the symbol less than for all this number. Okay? That means 3,83,565 is less than 3,83,656. Okay children? So this way you can answer. Now the next one. And the next number, first you check the number of digits in both numbers. Here the number of digits are same, isn't it? It's a 6-digit number and this one is also a 6-digit number. Now compare the digits at lakhs place, that is 7 is equal to 7. Then move to the next place. It is both are equal, so move to the next place. 2 and 2. Both are equal. Move to the next place. 7 and 1. Which is greater? 7 is greater than 1. So, greater than symbol we can put here. Got it? So, 7,27,989 is greater than 7,21,999. Got it children? Okay. Next question. 75,987 and 6,21,987. First we check the number of digits. Here the first number is having 5 digits in it, but the second number is having 6 digits in it. So we know the number which is having less number of digits is smaller, isn't it? So it's a 5-digit number, it's a 6-digit number. So obviously which is the greater one? Yeah, this 6-digit number is greater than this 5-digit number. Okay. Now the next one. Look. Next number is 1,03,419, 1,30,450. So among these numbers, first you check which is the greatest one. Okay. And here we can understand both are having same number of digits, isn't it? So you check the digits in highest place first. That is 1 and 1. Both are same. Then move to the next. It is 0 and 3. Which is greater, 0 or 3? 3 is greater, right? So draw the less than symbol here. Okay. That is, this symbol should always be open towards the largest number. So here the 3 is larger. So it is opening towards the number 3. Got it? Okay. So this way we can answer these questions. Dear children, now we are moving to the next topic, and that is ordering of numbers. Okay. So here is a question from ordering of numbers. The question is arrange the following in ascending order. What is ascending order? Arranging the number from smallest to the largest is called the ascending order. Right. So look at this number. These are large numbers, isn't it? So we know how to compare the numbers. So you compare and find out which is the smallest one and write that in the first position. Okay, children? So let's start. First look at these numbers and check is all these numbers are having same number of digits or not. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-digit number. This one is a 6-digit number. This is a 6-digit number, and this one and this one. All are 6-digit numbers. So what to do? We will move to the second step. That is compare the digits at highest place. So here the highest place is lakhs place, and it is 2 in lakhs place, 6 in lakhs place. Here also 6, here also 3 and 4. So among these digits, which is the smallest one? Yes, 2 is the smallest one, isn't it? 2, 6, 6, 3, 4. Among these, 2 is the smallest one. So the first number we got, that is 2,24,541. Okay, we got the first number, smallest number. Now check. Now this number is over. Now look at the other numbers. 6, 6, 3, 4. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller, isn't it? So we can write 3,15,578 is the next. The digit 6, 6, 4. Among these numbers, which is smallest? That is 4 is smaller. So you can write 4,31,966. Okay. 6 and 6 both are same. Now you check the next digit, that is 2. 2 is in 10,000s place. Check 2 and 7. Okay. In this number, 10,000s place digit, and 7 is the 10,000 place digit. Dear children, just now we discussed an ascending order question. Now we are moving to a descending order question. What is descending order? Arranging the number from largest to the smallest is descending order. Right? So some numbers are given here. You compare every number and find out which is the greatest one and write that in the first position. Okay, children? So, and the same way you can answer it. So look at this question. 7,28,139, 5,28,913, 3,23,567, 5,452, 7,73,656. These are the given numbers. Okay, children? So we have to arrange it in descending order from largest to the smallest. So you first find out which is the largest number. Here we can see that all the numbers are 6-digit numbers, isn't it? Look, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these numbers are 6-digit numbers. Okay. So for what we have to do? We have to move to the next step, and that is check the digits at highest place. So here the highest place digits are 7, 5, then 3, 5, 7, and we got 7, 5, 3, 5, 7. So tell me children, among these digits which is the greatest one? That is 7, isn't it? And here 2 7s are coming. 2 numbers are starting with 7. So we have to check which number is biggest among these two. Okay. So for that you can compare the next place digits. That is this digit, that is 10,000 place digit in both numbers. That is 2 and 7. So tell me children, which is greater, 2 or 7? Yes, 7 is greater than 2, isn't it? So this number will be in the first position. Okay, that we can write. That is 7,73,656. 56. And if you have any doubt in this, and you can draw a place value chart, and then you arrange all the numbers after one by one. You arrange all the numbers in the same place value chart, and then you can compare. Okay, and after that you can answer like this. Okay, so we got the first number. Now which one will be the next one? Yes, that is this one, right? Now the number which is starting from 7 is only the first one, so you can write that also. Now look at the rest of the numbers. This number is also over. Now 5, 3, 5. Among these, which is the greatest number? 5 is the greatest number, right? But two numbers are starting with 5. So you check among these which is the greatest one. Okay. So 5 and 5. You check the next place digit. That is 2 and 0. Which is greater, children? 2 or 0? 2 is greater. So our next number will be 5,28,913. Okay. Now after that the number will be 5,452. Now what is left? Only one number is left, and that is 3,23,567. So you can write that in the last position. Okay, so this way you can compare the digits and compare the numbers, then arrange in descending order. Okay, so everyone go through these portions very well and study it all well. Okay, so today we discussed the comparison of numbers and ordering of numbers, and I already sent so much questions based on this. Everyone answer that in your notebook and study this concept well. Okay dear children, see you in the next class. Bye bye.